What's going on, everybody? CEO in the making, back with another video. Today we're doing a review on these Boltune Bluetooth BH024 true wireless earbuds. Current price on these is $59 on Amazon. As always, I will put the link in the description. So after you watch this video, if you're interested in grabbing a pair, be sure to check out that link for the most up-to-date price. Now, if you like my videos and want to help support the channel, it does help me out if you make your purchases directly through the links that I provide. So enough of that, let's go ahead and get into the review. So let's go ahead and take a look at the box that the earbuds come in. So as you can see, a pretty simple setup, a nice white and red colorway. And then if we flip it over to the back, you can see you've got a couple basic specs for you to take a look at. Moving on to the contents, you get your charging case along with the earbuds, your usual paperwork and instructions, a USB Type-C charging cable, and some extra silicone ear tips. So here we have the charging case. As you can see, some Boltune branding there on the lid of the case, and the case itself is a nice pocketable size and pretty lightweight. The material of the case is like a canvas type material, which is different from most of the plastic charging cases that we see. On the front, you've got a single LED light setup, and on the back you have your charging port, as well as a little button for you to check the battery status of the case. Something that stood out to me was this nice little silver strip here that goes around the entire case. To me, it gives it a nice premium look. And when you open up the case, you can see that silver material is displayed on the inside as well. I'll definitely say this is one of the better looking charging cases that I've come across. As you can see, the earbuds snap right into place once you set them in the case. So here we have one of the earbuds. The earbuds themselves are also pretty lightweight. And as you can see, it's got a nice silver and black colorway. Towards the top of the earbud is where you utilize the touch controls. And then as you can see, towards the bottom of the earbud is where you have your microphone. Flipping it around, you can see the charging terminals as well as the left and right indicator. You can also see that blinking light there to let you know when the earbuds are in pairing mode. Now let's go ahead and talk about some of the specs with these earbuds. You get Bluetooth 5.0. They use a Qualcomm 3026 chipset. They also support aptX, SBC, and AAC audio codecs. You get stereo and mono mode, so you can listen to either earbud independently. You also get CVC 8.0 noise cancellation technology for improved phone calls. On a full charge, you'll get about 7 hours of listening time, and then with the charging case, you'll get about 42 hours of listening time. You also get an IPX8 waterproof rating, so you can pretty much run these underwater, and as long as you dry them off before you put them in the charging case, you'll be good to go. Now let's go ahead and talk about the sound quality with these earbuds. Now I reviewed a pair of Boltune true wireless earbuds before. I believe it was the BH020 model, and I was pretty impressed with how those sounded. So I had a feeling that these wouldn't be too far off. And I gotta say that I was right. These earbuds sound great. I mean, the bass is magnificent. It's extremely rich, extremely full. The mids and the highs sound solid as well, but for me, the highlight is definitely the bass. If you're the type of person that loves to listen to bass within your music, you'll definitely appreciate these earbuds. Now, one thing I noticed that was different compared to the BH020 earbuds is the max volume. On the other earbuds, those are probably some of the loudest true wireless earbuds I've ever tested or reviewed ever. In fact, they probably got a little bit too loud if I'm being honest. So I think that they may have looked at some of the reviews or watched some of the reviews and seen that, because it seems like they scaled back the max volume on these just a little bit. But don't get me wrong, they still get plenty loud. They give you plenty of volume to play around with, so you'll definitely be okay there. They're not too quiet at all. But overall, these sound great. Like I said, highlight for me is the bass. If you love bass, you'll definitely love these. Now let's go ahead and put these on and show you how they look. So as you can see, they're very easy to put on, and it doesn't take much to get them to a point where they feel nice and secure. In my opinion, the earbuds look extremely stylish. I love the silver and black colorway, and they look very sleek to me, which I like as well. If you're an active person, I don't think you'll have any issues with these staying in place. As I mentioned earlier, you do get touch controls, so you're able to track forward, track backward, increase the volume, decrease the volume, as well as activate your voice assistant. These do feature proximity sensors, so in order to pause your music, simply remove the earbuds, and once you replace them, your music will resume. Now let's go ahead and do a microphone test to give you an idea of how you would sound if you were to use these to take a phone call. Alright, so this is a quick microphone test on the Boltune Bluetooth BH024 True Wireless Earbuds. In my opinion, they sound pretty good. It's very clear, very audible, it doesn't sound muffled. But as always, you guys be the judge. Let me know what you think about the microphone quality in the comment section below. So overall, at $59, these definitely get my seal of approval. There's a long list of things that I like about them, starting with the materials and the design of them. They look good, and on top of that, you get some great specs. Great battery life, great call quality, and most importantly, great sound quality. So that's going to be it for this video. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on all my latest content. As always, I'll see you guys in the next video.